This is Jasmine from the Lazy Woman Diary, where I constantly question my life choices, usually somewhere in the tropical rainforest of Malaysia. Very hot! And in this episode, I still don't know why I said yes to this crazy waterfall, Recce. Located deep in Hulu Rening, Batang Kali, Selangor, this hidden waterfall shares the same trailhead as Lubuk Tupai. Instead of heading straight to Lubuk Tupai, we made a right turn. And you know it is serious when I wear long pants. Full coverage, just like a ketupat, nyonya chang, rice dumpling or whatever you call it. The trail is raw, too many junctions, no proper markings, fallen trees everywhere, mosquitoes having a buffet, and leeches probably waiting for me.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Out from the forest. I am seriously thinking of unfriending Joshua.
You're mine, don't be shy. Baby, tell me what you want. 'Cause I can't wait no more. If it's real, say the word. Make it work, yeah, like it when you play. Just say
taking a quick rest before we head out to the trailhead.
Yeah, you make me wanna na 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 na. Yeah, you make me wanna na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Just when I thought it was over, one untouched pervert tiger leech was in my bra. No love bite, just make me panic only. And I shall see you in my next hike and camp adventure then. Bye bye.